Hi children, good morning. Today we conduct an experiment from the lesson Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. This is from 8th standard. Let's see the aim of this experiment. The aim is to study the strength of fibers. Now let's see the materials required. First we need iron stand, next cotton, wool, nylon and silk threads of same thickness and length. Now we need a pan and some weights. Now let's see the procedure to conduct this experiment. First, take an iron stand with a clamp. Now take cotton, wool, nylon and silk threads about 50 centimeters in length. First, tie woolen thread to stand so that it hangs freely from it. At the free end, attach a pan so that a weight can be placed on it. Add weight starting from 10 grams one by one till the thread breaks. Now note down the total weight required to break the thread. Now we repeat the same activity with threads of silk, cotton and nylon. Now tie silk thread to stand so that it hangs freely from it. At the free end, attach a pan so that a weight can be placed on it. Add weights. Now again note down the total weight required to break the thread. Now we repeat the same activity with cotton threads. And again note down the total weight required to break the thread. And now we do it again the same with a nylon thread. Here we need to note down the total weights required to break the thread. And mention them in a table. Now let us see what we have concluded from this experiment. The conclusion is, after conducting experiment, we can conclude that among all fibers, nylon is the strongest fiber. Now we have viva voce. Children, I would like to ask some questions from the experiment what we have done. What is the nature of nylon fiber? Nylon is very strong in nature as steel wire. Now I would ask you another question. Which fiber do you think can absorb more water? Cotton is the fiber which absorbs more water.